Welcome to TechLipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check Windows Update history on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your search bar. In here, type settings. Then just open up settings from the best match. Then on the left hand menu, you'll see Windows Update. Just select that. And after you select Windows Update, just scroll all the way down. Here, you'll see Update History. Just click on this. And then you can see all the quality updates from here. As you can see right here, you can also see the driver updates, and you can also see the definition updates as well. Other than that, you can see other updates from here as well, which is basically Windows malicious software removal tool. And you can also install updates from here. And that is basically how to check Windows update history on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.